Consolate Onyera ow'emyaka 17 okuruga omu kyaro kya Oribo omugombora ya Buliisa omu district ya Buliisa n'omwe ahabaishiki abahikire kurungi kandi ogwo akihayo obubonero 10 omu bigezo bya mushanju bito bateine sente za school fees ezokuza omu siniya ahabw'okuba enfuuzi n'okushanga ngu naruga omu kayenyoro kandi ogwo hati n'omwe barikuza kuheebwa fees okuruga omu batirenge ya Total Energies.
People normally say they carried learners with the 10, then I had to say, now God, where am I? They're carrying learners with the 8 and below. Now where am I going to be with my 10? God, you see me, help me please. I have nothing to do because I want to study. Now I can't stop in primary 7 that I am done with studying. No, that one is just useless.
Mwenda kansime ow'emyaka 15 nawe orikuruga omu kyaro kya Oribo nawe akatunga obubonero 13 bito abazaire be babire bateine z'okumongyerayo okumuta omu siniya.
When I was studying, life was hard. My dad has 2 women. He left my mom and went to the other women at the lecturers. Started staying there without sending us money for school fees. They were always taking gardening weekend. Some days I don't go to school. I go to big garden for other people's.
We look at how is home, I mean in terms of parents being able to pay your school fees. How have you been studying in terms of school fees, maybe your annual fund? Those are some of the aspects of vulnerability we look at.
At least in every home, there's a girl child going to school and even able to complete P7. So I want to thank you parents very much for being supportive. And I want you to encourage other parents bakusa kubamba chana negative attitude kwendelya abana babahala mube encouraging bakole kyani basomese bana babahala.
Mukuru gwokuba kwasibirwa kwetagisibwa ishomero chairman wa district Fred Rukumu ayerekera butashemererwa abokushanga ngo bakamunaga inyuma omubwire bokutora nabine kuheba okushoma kwa busha.
They may not necessarily be indigenous here, but as long as they search for their primary living here, then because the idea was to try and make Buliisa competitive and to make Buliisa residents benefit.
Abana barukurenga 3 nabo babire bashabere okuheba okushoma kwa busha gasha kwambrozo no gabakatoto.